talk about your forecast. Not looking too bad either. It's kind of gusty. We've got a little bit of rain, but all in all, I'd say not too bad of a day. Let's talk about where we have a bit of rain, and then we'll take a look at the current wind speeds. The rain really moving very quickly thanks to these gusty winds. So getting a little bit of rain over Pratt and Whitney, and we've got this shower that just moved through Jupiter Farms and Abacoa. We've also got a little bit of rain moving over Palm Beach shores. So northern portions of West Palm Beach going to get a little rain out of that. You see why these showers are moving so quickly. We've got sustained winds along the coast, or really area wide, from around 10 miles per hour to up to 16 miles per hour in Boca Raton. So those are the sustained winds. The wind gusts are even higher, around 25 miles per hour. So a very breezy day. Going to continue feeding those showers off the Atlantic into our area, moving from the coast inland. Now you'll notice 1:30, 2 o'clock, we're getting a little bit of a break, especially along the coast. And then after 4 into 5 and 6 o'clock, a few more spotty showers do start to show up. I'd say at any given point today and into tonight, expect just some spotty, fast moving showers. That's kind of the pattern that we're stuck in currently. Mid and upper 80s for most of us. It's 84 in Okeechobee, 86 in Fort Pierce, 85 in Jupiter, 87 in Boynton and Wellington right now. Today is going to be a couple degrees cooler than yesterday, but still a warm day. High still in the upper 80s, which is actually right around average for this time of year. So I'm still going to go ahead and call it a hot day, even though it's not as hot as it has been. Breezy winds sticking around through your afternoon, as well as those fast showers. Also sticking around, hazardous beach and boating conditions. So surf about waist to stomach high. We're getting swells still off of Leslie in the Atlantic, and that is upping the surf and making hazardous conditions even worse for beachgoers and boaters. We also have a high risk of rip currents and very gusty winds. Your boating forecast, small craft caution is advised for boaters as it's choppy on the inland waters. Here's what's going on in the tropics. Two different things to talk about. We have what is currently Tropical Storm Leslie, forecast to become Hurricane Leslie by tomorrow, and is actually going to meander around in the Atlantic for about another week or so. Still feeling those indirect impacts from Leslie in the terms of those swells, but no other direct impacts expected. And then we have this system, a low pressure system expected with a low chance of development in the next 5 days in the Caribbean. We'll be keeping an eye on that one, especially as we head into next week. Rain chances lower on Wednesday as drier air builds in, and then they jump up on Thursday. Rain chances are lower once again as we head into the end of the week.